In today's video, we're making easy wall decor DIYs, and it also doubles up to room decor on a budget. Hello and thank you for stopping by. In case you're new here, my name is Effie and I love everything DIY, home decor, organization, art, and a little lifestyle. So if that sounds like your thing, kindly consider subscribing not to miss an episode. For the first project, we are using a plain canvas, and what I'm doing is just creating some pattern. This is actually premeditated. I'm creating some pattern for an abstract kind of wall art that you'll see at the end of this. Then went in with my black acrylic paint and just alternating the lines that I drew previously, because this is premeditated and this is how I wanted it to turn out, and that is how it looks after I've done all the lines how I wanted them to be. After I finished painting with the black, I just decided to do a little of the edges, which is not actually important at this point. But since I drew the pattern using a pencil, the white part of the canvas has pencil lines, so I decided to clean it out by taping the black, the places that I painted black. And once I did so, I just used my white acrylic paint, yes, to paint over the white areas to ensure white remains white and black will be black. This is actually so simple, and every item I'm using in this video will be linked in the description box. And after going in with the white, I took off the tape. Don't mind the smudges. I'll clean it up using the black paint. Using my black acrylic paint, I went back again just to ensure the edges looked sharp, and that is how it looks. To decor number 2, I have 4 frames, 3 A4 sized and 1 A3 sized. I have some printables. Printables are actually so easy to come by. You can go to Pinterest and just whatever you desire, whatever looks good to you. Yes. Just you can go to Pinterest. There are several printables there, and that is where I got my printables for today. And I also need to mention that I got my inspiration for today's video from Decor Crafts. She does amazing DIYs on her channel. Kindly check out. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description box. If you enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Let me know which one is your favorite. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I put a new video up. That's it for today. Remember to be kind and spread love.